In this video, I'll detail how to fix Face ID missing on iPhone on iOS 18. So whether your Face ID is missing or your Face ID and passcode is missing, this video is going to walk you through. So basically, when your Face ID and passcode are missing, you will not be able to change your iPhone passcode or set up Face ID on your iPhone. So if you don't know this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. So the first one to do when you want to fix Face ID and passcode is missing on iPhone is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, just scroll down and select screen time. Then once you click on screen time, scroll down. Tap content and privacy restrictions. Under content and privacy restrictions, you want to scroll down and then locate passcode and Face ID. Click on that. Then tap allow. Then once you tap allow passcode and Face ID, you'll be taken back to the screen time. Then go back, close the settings app on your iPhone. Then go ahead and open the settings app again. On the settings app, just scroll down again. Then you should see the Face ID and passcode accessible. So that is it. So that's how you can easily fix Face ID and passcode missing on iPhone. So if you found this really helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.